Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I welcome everyone to Class 9 Mathematics, Chapter 14 Statistics, Exercise 14.4, Part 4. Mean. It is found by adding all the values of the observations and dividing it by the total number of observations. It is denoted by x bar. For ungrouped data, x bar equal to sum of all observation divided by number of observation, that is x1 plus x2 plus etc. up to xn divided by n. For grouped data, x bar equal to summation fx divided by n, where f is the frequency in each class, x is the midpoint of each class, and n is the total number of scores. Median. It is the value of the middlemost observations. For finding median, first we have to arrange the observation in an ascending order. If the observation is in odd, we have to use the formula as n plus 1 divided by 2. And the observation is in even, we have to use n by 2 and n plus 1 divided by 2. For after finding this, we have to find out the average of the particular observations to find the median. Mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring digits. Here 1, 1, 3, 7, 10 and 13. These are the number of observations. Here 1 is repeated 2 times. So the most repeated number is 1. So the mode value is 1. Range. Range is the highest value minus lowest value, that is maximum value minus minimum value. Here the maximum value is 16 and the minimum value is 13. Then we have to subtract these two numbers. So 16 minus 13, 3. So here the range is 3. Exercise 14.4. First question. The following number of goals was scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Find the mean, median and mode of these scores. For the given observation, we have to find mean, median and mode. First we will see mean. Mean, we have a formula, that is sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Here the sum of observation, we have to add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 divided by number of observation, that is totally 10 observations. So divided by 10. So if we add all the numbers, we'll get 28. So 28 divided by 10 will get 2.8. So here the mean value is 2.8. Next we will find out median. For median, first we have to arrange it in ascending order. Then we have to find out whether it is odd or even. So here totally 10 observations are there. So n equal to 10, that is even. For even, we have a formula n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Here n value is 10. So 10 divided by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 and 10 if we cancel means we'll get 5. The same way here 2 and 10 will get cancelled means 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. So fifth observation and sixth observation we have to add and divided by 2. In the place of 5 we have 3 and the place of 6 also we have 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 will get 3. So here the median value is 3. Then mode. Mode is the most frequent occurring digits. So here 3 is repeated 4 times. 3 is repeated 4 times. So mode value is 3. Second question. In a mathematics test given to 15 students, the following marks out of 100 are recorded. 41, 39, 48, 52, 46, 62, 54, 40, 96, 52, 98, 40, 42, 52, 60. We have to find out the mean, median and mode of this given data. First, we have to find out the mean. Mean, we have a formula, sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Then we have to add all the given observations. then divided by the total number of observations, that is 15. So if we add, you will get 822 divided by 15. Then we can cancel this, means you will get 54.8. This is the value for mean. Then median, we have to arrange it in ascending order first. Then if we are arranging in ascending order, then we have to find out the formula, that is for median n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n value is 15. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2. Number of observation, that is 15, which is odd. So median formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n value is 15. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2 will get 16 divided by 2. So we'll get the 8th observation. In the place of 8th observation, we have 52. So median value is 52. Then mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring digits. Here 52 is repeated 3 times. So here the mode value is 52. Third question. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data is 63, find the value of x. Here they given the data. Then number of observations. Here totally 10 observations are there, that is even. So for even we have a formula n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, that is 5th observation, and 10 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 6th observation divided by 2. Here the median of the data is 63 they given. That one we have to write it in left hand side. So 63 equal to 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. In the place of 5th and 6th we have x and x plus 2 divided by 2. So 63 equal to x plus x plus 2 divided by 2. Then this 2 we have to multiply. 63 into 2 equal to 2x plus 2. So 63 into 2 we have 126. So 126 equal to 2x plus 2. Then we have to bring the constant to left hand side. So 126 minus 2 equal to 2x. We will get 124 equal to 2x. So x equal to 124 divided by 2. So the x value is 62. Then x plus 2 value is 64. X value is 62 and x plus 2 value is 64. Fourth question. Find the mode of 14, 25, 14, 28, 18, 17, 18, 14, 23, 22, 14, 18. First, we have to arrange the question in ascending order. Here they arranged the observation in ascending order. Already we know mode is the most frequently occurring digits. Here 14 is repeated 4 times, 17 occurs 1 time, and 18 is repeated 3 times, 22 is occurs 1 times, and 23 also 1 time, 25 1 time, and 28 occurs 1 times. So while seeing these observations, we have 14 is repeated 4 times. So here the mode value is 14. Fifth question. Find the mean salary of 60 workers of a factory from the following table. Here in question they given x value and f value. So we need to find out fx. For that we have to multiply these two columns. So 3000 into 16 will get 48,000. Then 4000 into 12 will get 48,000. 5000 into 10 50,000. 6,000 into 8 48,000. 7,000 into 6 42,000. 8,000 into 4 will get 32,000. 9,000 into 3 will get 27,000. 10,000 into 1 will get 10,000. Then we have to add all this fx value, that is for summation fx. So we'll get 305,000. Then next we have to add all the f value, that is for summation f will get 60. Then for finding the mean value, we have a formula, that is summation fx divided by summation f. So we need to divide these two. So 305,000 divided by 60. Then 0 and 0 will get cancelled. The remaining we can cancel in 6 table. So we'll get 5083.33. 5083.33. Here the mean value is 5083.33. I hope you understand the measures of central tendency, that is mean, median, mode. Thank you, students.